Alright, home cooks, get ready to seriously level up your appetizer game. Today I'm showing you how to make crispy fried seafood mushrooms. Trust me, you've never tasted mushrooms like this before. Think about it, plump, juicy mushrooms stuffed with a creamy, savory seafood filling, all wrapped in a golden, crunchy shell. Every bite is a wild contrast, crisp on the outside, tender, and bursting with flavor on the inside. Even if you've got a seafood skeptic in the house, this recipe might just win them over. The secret? Start with the right mushrooms. I love using big portobellos or hardy crimini caps. They're sturdy enough to hold all that delicious stuffing. For the filling, grab some shrimp crab meat, fresh or imitation, whatever's easiest, and chop it up fine. Mix it with cream cheese, a handful of breadcrumbs, and don't forget the flavor boosters: garlic powder, onion powder, and a sprinkle of Old Bay. Whatever herbs you like, this is your moment. Pack that filling into your mushrooms, then dunk each one in your favorite seasoned breading or a light batter. Now comes the magic. Carefully fry them up until they're golden and gorgeous. Use tongs, don't overcrowd the pan, and watch out for the hot oil. Safety first. Serve these beauties hot with a squeeze of lemon or a creamy dipping sauce on the side. They're perfect as party starters or just a treat-yourself snack. Give this a shot and let me know if your taste buds aren't completely blown away. You'll never look at mushrooms the same way again. Promise.